The strongest and most popular Igbo gods, Chi ndị Igbo. Amadioha. Amadioha is the most popular god in Igbo land, and he is the god of thunder and lightning. He is the strongest of all. He is considered a gentleman among the deities and very cruel when annoyed. Amadioha represents the collective will of the people. A white ram represents him, and his color is red. He is still one of the most feared gods in Igbo land to this day. His shrine can be found in Rivers State, Nigeria. Allah, also known as Ani, Anna in numerous dialects, is a female god representing the earth, fertility, creativity, and morality. She is the most respected god in Igbo land. She is considered the wife of Amadioha, the sky god, and commands authority in Igbo land. The symbol of Allah is Python and crescent moon. Ikenga. Ikenga is the god of strength and war. As his name means place of strength, it is a honored deity, and it is one of the most powerful and respected gods in Igbo land. The Ikenga can be given as a title to men of good reputation, wealth, and integrity. It is one of the most powerful symbols of the Igbo people and the most common cultural artifact. Omunabale, literally meaning one who kills at night, is a death deity. His name has already described his functions. He kills his victims at night. His victims are criminals and those who have committed an unspeakable taboos. Agonse. This is the god of health and divination. This god is one of the basic theological concepts used to explain good and evil, health and sickness, poverty and health and wealth in Igbo land. Beliefs in the deity was widespread, with most villages having some Agbo priests who also doubled as physicians in the society. Igwekala. This is the name of a famous god which visited every 4 years as a masquerade around December period. It is a feared and respected deity in Igbo land, as no one can come close to it once it enters the community. His shrine can be found in Umunoha, a town in Imo State near the city of Owerri. Anyanwu. This is the goddess of the sun, as is done in almost all ancient religions and traditions. There is always a deity in respect of the sun. It is revered as the goddess that promotes productivity, hard work, and overall positive well-being of the people. The Igbos kept this deity in high esteem. That's why many households took the name to be their surname. Njokuji. This is the guardian deity of yam in Igbo land. In many parts of Igbo land, people did rituals in honor of this goddess of yam, known as Ifejioko. She is prayed for productivity during the farming season. Children who were dedicated to this goddess were called Njoko, and were all expected to be prosperous in life. Idemiri, the goddess of the ocean and the seas. It is believed to have found the Idemiri community in Anambra State. His shrine can be found in the community and in one of the oldest shrines in Igbo land. It is a secret shrine, and the worship of pythons, Eke, goes on there. Hence, the killing of pythons in that area is forbidden. There is more information on their rituals, mode of participation, and rules guiding each of these gods that we can't talk about. By the way, we Igbos need to embrace our cultures. Even if we can't practice them, we should learn our history to tell it without adulterations to the world and to the new generations to come.